Today is episode F stop 58 to pull the fire alarm.
Ugh, I bored. Why I school? Oh, I'm going to pull fire alarm. Ha 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 ha.
Oh, do not.
Un nuevo video era 58.
Well, Mr. D58 was trying to pull fire alarm. But her bad user her UTTP.
Oh amigos, thanks for telling me. 58 the number lore UTTP.
What is Mr.?
If I told me you was to telling to pull fire alarm?
Wait, you in Spanish?
Yes, is that truth?
Yes, it is not. Fire me, please.
O 58, o dare yo to pull fire alarm that is your expelled forever no go me read no.
Wah 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 wah.
Murdy, thanks for expelled for making a bad video.
No problem if you had 20 years day off so go me read no will primera cal you urge.
Yeah.
One minute later, to G ungrounded her.
Oh, 58, how dare you try to pull fire alarm? That is you grounded for 3736376 to 6 to 7 to 5 8 to 7 to 8 to 8 to 9 8 to 26. Go your room now.
Wah 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 ay.
Stop crying and or else I give you punishment day.
Okay, I stop crying. Stupid.
Hey, not call.
I know what you're waiting for. I've come back to give you more. I know what you're waiting for. I've come back to give you more.
Everybody waiting for me， 这种才艺如今给你们真实回应。如你所愿的经典愿望，肯定要一言阻挡我的基本没戏。当你才听到上一段的韵脚，助理早就帮我安排好了行程。像是整张专辑的导演，同时又自己在写剧本。埋怨不是理性的规则，不是我定的，没有难度的才会美剧。如今内心平静的万物聆听着都不自信的说话，谁虚？为了一套你。